Hey everyone, welcome back. I know you guys have missed me over the past week. A lot of you guys DM'd me. Thank you so much for all the concern. It was one crazy week dealing with a lot of stuff, but I don't want to keep you guys waiting any much longer, especially after all the love and support you guys have given me. Really grateful to God for the lovely virtual family that I have here. So in today's video, we are going to be organizing all the paperwork of the house. It could be your utility bills, receipts, your investment documents, bank documents, your visiting cards, and so on. Managing important documents and paper clutter can be a real struggle sometimes. It is important to set up a functional home filing system that you will actually use. So the very first step is to make a list of all the documents you have and finding the best organizers for them. I purchased a couple of files, folders, pouches, file dividers, visiting card and shopping cart organizers, the links to which have been mentioned in the description box for you guys to check it out, and you could also buy them for organizing your important documents. Okay, so this is how I decided to categorize the documents. Personal for all the documents that has to do with my family and household, and company documents if you own a business or company. So I'm going to focus on the personal and household. Under the personal documents, I have made individual files for each member of the family. The individual files are further subdivided into three categories, that is educational documents, government documents, and employment documents, with the help of the file dividers. I started first with my dad's personal file. I thought it would take the least time, but actually took a lot more than expected. He had a ton of papers like his salary slips, his income tax returns, his work experience certificates, school certificates, and then he also had his birth certificate, marriage certificate, his parents' birth and death certificate, and so on. So all the employment related documents like the salary slips, experience certificates, income tax returns were filed under the employment document category. The birth certificate, marriage certificate, residence certificate, and various other government documents were filed under the government document category. And all the school mark sheets, leaving certificates, extracurricular activity certificates were all filed under the educational document category year-wise in order from newest to the oldest, so that the most recent documents are in the front. Similarly, I arranged my mom's personal file and my personal file subdivided into three categories: employment documents, government documents, and educational documents. Moving on to the house file, all the important documents like the sale deed, the house plans, utility connection request letters, house insurance papers, and all other documents related to a house were filed year-wise. A couple of papers have been discolored and have also turned brittle due to the chemical reaction over the years. So I have made use of these transparent folders to protect the papers from getting deteriorated any further. The best way or the most efficient way to use transparent folders is by making use of a single folder for two documents, just like this. This will help us to save on the number of folders required as well as make the file less bulky. Now that we are done with all the personal files and the house file, let's move on to the other documents of the house. So I have this utility file which includes the electricity bills, water bills, the LPG gas cylinder refill bills, and telephone bills if you have a landline. Making use of these file separators helps in finding the specific document because you don't have to sift through all your file at once. Next, let's move on to the medical files. Each member of the house has his or her own personal medical file, which is a compilation of all the medical information, including test results, treatment reports, doctor's prescriptions, and so on. It is important to have your own personal medical file so you can share it with a new doctor, review at home to better understand your treatment, or manage your health insurance claims, taxes, and other legal matters. By the way, I got all of these labels printed in this manner and cut them with the help of a scissor. after which I glued them to the respective files. Now, in order to have all the files labels at the same height, I took the help of a ruler in order to measure the exact height at which I wanted the labels at, and this made it look all symmetrical and neat. So just the way each member of the family has his or her own personal file, the two-wheeler and four-wheeler vehicles also have their own personal file. These include all the documentation such as service bills and receipts, insurance papers, tire replacement bills, battery replacement warranties, and so on. I also have the separate file for sold vehicles that were previously owned that include all the insurance papers, transfer papers, and so on. Next, I have made these pouches that work as a great organizer. Firstly, we have this pouch that contains all the bank checkbooks. This pouch contains all the bank passbooks. Now this one contains all the new as well as old family passports. And finally, we have this pouch that contains all the necessary IDs such as Aadhaar card, ration card, and so on. Now this is my favorite organizer that contains some more ID cards, shopping cards, and bank cards. I have used this organizer to also organize all the important visiting cards. This small little cute organizer contains all the old as well as new passport size photos. Now this expanding folder has multiple pockets for each investment document such as fixed deposit receipts, share certificates, mutual fund investments, and so on. Next, I have made this folder that contains all the personal insurance policies. Each one has been kept in a separate transparent folder. You could also use the expanding folder with multiple pockets for this purpose. This folder contains all the miscellaneous purchase bills of electronic goods, jewelry items, etc., as well as operating manuals that come handy while using a new product, as well as warranties that act as a guarantee for defective products, whether they will be repaired or replaced within a specific time. This folder contains photocopies of ID proofs, educational certificates that come handy when required to be submitted for any legal work. Okay, now this idea is something that I really liked and thought of sharing with you guys. Throughout our life, we try to protect our loved ones, and now you have a chance to help them at a time when they will need that help the most. On this What My Family Should Know document, you can declare all the necessary information with regards to your investments, your emergency contacts, bank accounts, insurance policies, your will executed on, your nominees, etc. The link of this is mentioned in the description box for you guys to check it out. I suggest you to download and complete this record and store the same in a safe place. Keeping good books and records is an essential skill, especially if you're running a business. This record book provides at a glance all the necessary information with regards to utility connections, bank accounts, insurance policies, vehicle registrations, bank cards, and so on. Also, in almost everything we do today, we use the internet. We use various websites for shopping, paying our utility bills, banking, socializing that demand a strong password which is often difficult to remember. Now this is a secret tip I would like to give you guys. You could maintain a record book like this in which you can maintain all the login IDs and password, and this needs to be kept in a safe place. I hope today's video helps you in organizing your personal documents as well as helps you in getting rid of all that paper clutter out there. Take the time to plan now and get working on it. If you like the video, then please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hope to see you soon, guys. Until then, bye-bye, stay safe and take care.